Hanzo, Hanzo, Hanzo. I've only played him for 3 hours, but I have to not let Seagull down. Hey Bezel, watch this play of the game. I'm gonna get it. It's obviously gonna be me. Oh, you... Hair in the way! I'm so fucking edgy. Oh, this is a good play though, watch. Ready?
Oh.
Wait, what?
What? Oh.
The hair on the way is pretty cool. I'm gonna keep doing that. It's just he looks just I can't see. And then compared to the older one, he's still got the same hair, but he's just cut the one side of it.
Oh.
So that way he can actually see this time. It's kind of like symbolizing something that I can't see anything yet. You know, I can only see nothing because the hair is covering everything.
Right.
While Seagull, you know, he's playing the furry one. He can see everything. So, I aspire to be furry. Aspire to get that skin. And grow up, but I'm too young right now. I don't understand that logic.
I understand.
What? But how? I don't understand. How do you understand?
If you don't die, you win.
Oh, I thought you were going to say that you're a kangaroo and a furry.
If you don't kangaroo, you win.
Hey Baz, are you a furry? Come on, the public's always been asking that.
Oh my god, he's got an animal as his icon. He must like things that fairies do.
Every time
It's obvious.
he sees a Joey.
It's actually the exact noise I make. Well,
Well, I recorded it. I just played it out again.
Oh.
Yeah.
Wow. Where'd you get that? Can you delete that, please?
That's how I get to sleep.
Oh.
I can't sleep without it.
Baz a furry confirmed. Bazzer is a furry. Oh my god, he's got a kangaroo.
Oh, help me.
He fucks kangaroos in his sleep.
Is this gonna become a new meme?
I'm not sure.
Another new
Somebody's
meme?
trying to make it a meme in like half the comments of my video. Like, oh, Baz is a furry? I'm like, what? No?
You know, you made your whole physique and body look like a fucking kangaroo, so you must be a furry. You're very tall and lanky. You've got a tail. You've
What do you mean made his physique? I don't think it's
he decided it.
Like being tall isn't really a decision.
I was like, Mom, hold up. Alright, you're gonna make me look like a kangaroo so I can be accurate representation of my online fucking logo.
Your parents did call you Bazza.
What's his actual name?
Bazza. It's his real name.
What are you gonna call our son? Bazza.
He's a kangaroo.
Where's
I don't
Dad's?
think he makes that decision when he's a kid.
Oh, I didn't.
What would you like to be called, son?
I didn't say that.
Bazza, please.
Don't hook me! What?
What the fuck? That...
Welcome to my life.
Did you see that?
Did I see that? I live that, Brad.
Wait, do you get nightmares after that shit?
It's not even a nightmare because it's actually real. It's like a real thing that happens, so...
As soon as you see
You
it,
can't even relate it to a nightmare because it literally, it's not a thing that I've made up, it's just a thing that happens.
Fuck yeah, that was too easy. I got no gold medals. I must be good at Hanzo. Holy shit. I got a long way to go, holy crap.
Play of the game.
Hey look, it's your former self.
No, it's not. I gotta practice this shit. Wait, okay, so with this thing. Oh, multiple. Cool, but how many is multiple? Count how many there are.
Okay. What?
5? I think that was 5. You just watch it. Sage.
Oh my god, we won.
We did it, Beza.
Hey.
I got 4 gold medals in the end.
I'm here too.
No,
Hey
you're not.
guys.
You're dead inside. I bet your Bastion got it. I'd be very proud of him.
Play of the game.
Yay! No, it's alright though, Bazia, if you are. Come on, just come out of the
I'm not.
the furry closet, you know?
I'm not a... There's no closet. There's no furry... What's a furry closet?
I don't know, it's just like warmer.
Can you practice getting me a ham and cheese tomato sandwich?
Alright. Here you go.
Oh, thank you.
No problem.
Wait,
Now would you like some...
5, 4, 3, 2,
Yeah?
1.
Okay.
Bazia, I'm hungry.
Hungry for what?
Sage!
Oh.
Sage! Sage!
How
Sage!
did I not see this coming?
Oh, I might have killed you. Let me watch
Possibility.
that. Just watch it, you know? Wow.
You fuck.
I got my ult. What if he deflects that? That'd be even better. Oh, turn into a furry.
Form up on the payload.
I fucking hate you.
Don't worry, I'm a Morty. You know?
Oh.
I came out of the Morty closet. I was still 12.
Uh.
It's probably the worst game I've ever had. Holy shit.
Play of the game.
What?
What? I mean...
You got a triple?
Yeah, of course!
This has to be good.
I just look so confused right now.
Oh, there's one sharpshooter. Oh, this is where you saved me.
Damn, I'm good.
How is that a sharpshooter? How is that? I'll be back in a second. Fucking shit! Ah!
Ah!
Oh, wait.
Is that how you enter rooms? You just go, ah!
Alright, okay, I can do this. I can do this. Just remember that you aim for the head, and then you aim for the ground. And then you aim for the middle. And then you can aim for the wall. Okay? Those are the 4 different aim.
Alright. Got it. Wait, do I have to do that?
No, you just throw, what is it? Sand at people.
With every death.
Wait, what if I want to aim at the ground? Can I do that?
Honor.
Yep, and then press C.
Redemption.
And see, that's the same for me. And then when I aim at the wall, there we go. Then I aim at the head, and then drag and aim at the middle. You know?
Okay.
Holy crap! What a play of the game.
Play of the game.
Hey, it's you.
I mean, it would be. How much have you played of him? Let's see. Better be not that much time. Good. So 7 hours. Bowser, you're supposed to be way better at McCree now. Wow! Can't even hit headshots. Let's go.
Okay. Alright, full tryhard mode.
Full tryhard mode.
Where are you? See, you're over there.
I got
Come
powered
back.
up.
You're powered up. See, now I just shoot him. First of all, I gotta kill this guy. And I'm gonna come to where you are. See, I'm right here. Now we gotta go over here. Yeah, see, it's good. Look at this. Full tryhard mode. That's a powered up diva. That's
Kill
not
her.
part of the plan.
Kill her!
Oh god. Oh,
Bowser, just kill!
God.
Good job, you flashed her to death.
I killed her with a flashbang. See, full tryhard mode.
Full tryhard mode. I've never seen you try so hard. You get so far.
I'm really hard. Like I'm just really hard right now. Wait, what?
I did it! Play the game, fuck it! Just die! I don't even care anymore. I got play. Doesn't matter, had play. This.
Full tryhard mode,
Full
Brad.
tryhard mode, I'm on my way to becoming Seagull's apprentice. For Hanzo this time. I press Q and then I just can't shoot after that. Because, why does it even matter? Look how cool I look.
How can you see with that hair in your face?
My eyes aren't real.
Who are you, Jaden Smith?
Yep. And then I'm like, soldier, I've done it. I'm not even gonna challenge you, man. I'm just gonna...
What?
I was gonna put a spray down.
How are you guys?
I'm
Great.
good. I'm
Talking
shooting
about Bowser
people with
being
my
a
gun.
furry.
Oh. Yeah, I mean, that also.
Wait, what? I missed that. What?
Bowser being a furry.
You're a furry now? Oh yeah, the kangaroo thing.
God.
Makes sense.
It's alright, we're here for you, Bowser.
Please don't be. Anyway.
Wait, but then who taught who to be an archer? Who taught Hanzo?
Meme!
What?
Me taught Hanzo.
It's alright, Bowser! There you go.
I don't.
Hey, how do you feel about hooks, Basil?
I
He
don't.
loves it, he really does. He thinks it's an important mechanic.
He loves
Wait,
it.
no.
Play of the game.
Oh. Shut down my play of the game.
Hey, that's not Davis.
It's Nestle. But Asian. So Nestle.
Yeah, right. Look, it's me.
Oh, it was me after I got hooked through a fucking car.
You keep getting hooked
Hey.
like that though. You just gotta dodge it, okay, man? Calm down and just probably step the other way.
I'm going
Roll
to
out of the
fucking
way.
murder you.
You're McCree. It's,
Roll, yeah. Maybe if you roll out of the way, it's easier.
A roll mechanic is it's there for a reason.
I can actually feel my eye twitching.
You know who went to Gamescom? Not Brad.
I'm crying over spilt milk again.
Hey, when are you gonna
This
do? When are you
May.
gonna do a video with him?
When? I don't know.
When are you gonna do a
When he
video with him?
subs with me.
Are you though?
He hasn't subbed me yet.
Oh.
Have you subbed to him though?
Yep.
Well, how has he not subbed to you? That's
Exactly.
preposterous.
Let's go,
get
gang.
him and hope they don't have a roadhog. Alright.
They have a road dog.
Oh no.
They got a
I lied.
roadhog.
Oh, thank God.
Do they? I just saw a big fat thing on Steve-O.
Wow.
Wow. She has weight issues.
All those Doritos.
All those mountain Dews.
She's drinking
Consuming
Mountain Dew.
just whole Mountain Dews. Yeah.
Oh,
Give
holy
them
crap.
life.
Brad, save me!
You gotta learn
I
the binary.
Sorry, you can kill me.
You fuck.
Your body went flying past me just...
Play of the game.
Hey, it's A.
You made it.
You,
I
Brad.
did.
What,
Look at everyone dying to my queue. And
Oh no.
what?
What was he doing? You just gave up.
No, wait.
Oh no! Why, Sam? You ran back into it!
I didn't know that was a dragon.
You just gave him play the game! You're standing still and then you run into it. What the fuck is that bullshit? I'm just trying to play some football! Some soccer! Some...
Lucio
Ball!
Lucio
Just... Baz is probably at like in that play of the game, but he's just watching from a distance, just coming out of his furry closet.
Oh, fuck you.
Now
So wait, who accused you of being a furry? Was it Brad?
No, it's just commenters.
Brad's trying to egg it on though. I'll tell you that much. it was like one,
What?
you know the
To be
channel
honest, what doesn't Brad egg on? Seriously.
Eggs.
is like, oh, Bazza, you're a furry, question mark? And I just said no. And then someone's like, lol, yeah he is. And then I told Brad and now he hasn't stopped saying it. Hey, I'll show you how to get it in every time. It'll be like this. Watch.
Get good.
Killed each other. How romantic.
I don't know if that's a romantic
Like
thing.
Bonnie and Clyde. Like Bonnie and Clyde. Or
I did it.
Romeo and Juliet.
I might have gone play the game. Maybe if you were good at the game, we could have won.
Maybe, yeah.
Why are you trying to upset Basil?
Look, he needs to learn. Like I.
That you're an asshole?
No. Just the harsh reality of life.
When you look down and you don't realize that your hand's actually clenched. It's just I'm like, oh, I'm actually doing that.
This is what you've done.
It's alright. Let's do this.
Okay, we can relax afterwards with some Lucio.
Oh!
I'm at that point where it's like, you know what, just take me, Hanzo.
Take me, Harambe.
Take me, Harambe.
Just take me. Oh, Jokes is bad. Jokes, I'm bad. Oh, I ran out of bullets and now she's alive and now she killed me.
That's it's easy to counter trace her. You just flash her and then hit her once in the head.
I will not be defeated.
I've done it so many times. Why can't you?
Okay.
Are you ready for my play of the game? I'm ready. Really, Brad? Are you? Yeah, I'm really ready. All right, here we go. It's where's the ice? Okay, this is actually good. I was really happy about it. Oh, wrecked.
Oh,
And then this is the good part. I let someone else kill him. Just
yeah, that was awesome.
thank you.
Oh no! Oh,
Where were you?
I was doing like an action dive out of the way.
Oh.
This is the best match
Helix jump.
I've ever seen. Woo! That was too intense. That was embarrassing. Oh no, I'm still. Oh no. Okay, hit someone.
Go away, Devo.
Oh, I got Diva!
May, how does May heal from going into ice? It just guys, I mean, nice roll. Came up.
Nice. So, what's going on?
Good shot, Basil.
Thank you.
Good shot, Basil.
Good God, I feel like I'm enjoying May, and this I shouldn't enjoy May.
You're evil.
Feels dirty.
Sorry, I'm enjoying Hanzo. I'm actually getting really good at him.
Gotta get the leftovers, eh?
Oh! That was a... The fuck was that shot?
Hey, you know
Oh!
God.
Oh! I've gotten triple headshots except...
Oh god, I'm stuck on a wall.
Oh my fucking god, yes. Yes, it's working! Seagull will be happy once again! In my mind.
Does Seagull even watch your videos?
No.
How am I frozen on the edge?
Of glory. Because I'm hearing that Baz is a glory hole.
Gorombi, no.
I'm being fisted by a monkey right now.
Glory hole confirmed.
Monkey hole confirmed.
Oh, they're in our spawn.
Call them horror.
Okay, just watch my play of the game. Holy crap. I hope it's...
Oh yeah, watch my play of the game.
Oh yeah.
Play
Too
Oh, yeah.
bad. I don't have eyes.
Who are you?
Oh, what's
Lee
this
Sin?
one? But I get one kill only. That's
What?
it. Really? I mean,
Oh, you got 3.
yeah, but ah!
I guess you
Edgy.
need cards
I don't need a
to get-
haircut. Actually, I need a haircut IRL. Oh no. Oh no, it's too right. It's too accurate.
I guess you don't get cards for getting 4 gold.
No.
Cool.
Did you get 4 gold?
I got 4 gold.
Maybe just gonna be better at Bangman, you know?
I didn't get a card.
Man, I gotta like play the game card. That was pretty.
traveling to sky.
What's the time? Is it 1 o'clock yet? No, it's not.
What's
Oh.
happening at 1 o'clock?
Jerking off into the sunset.
Yeah, Bazzer and I having bro jobs, you know.
2
Oh.
bros just
2 bros.
Jobs.
jacking each other off, you know.
Oh yeah, we're gonna do that on Tuesday? Come on, man.
Just a bunch of bros hanging out, eating sushi and jacking each other off. You know? just bro things, man.
Yeah, just riding on that sushi train, you know? How it goes around and around.
Good chew.
So faintly. Choo choo. Hey, Bazzer.
Hey.
Do you
yeah.
like memes? Do you like it?
Can you repeat the question?
Do you like being turned into a meme multiple times?
See you, boy. That's the best one.
I don't know, man. He is a furry.
Why do I play this game?
Because it's the fun time. You know? You're like, hey Brad, did you want to play some Overwatch? And I'm like, sure. You're like, can you please not hurt my feelings this time?
Can we just play one game without me getting emotionally abused? Okay, thanks.
Dude, we should do a secret turret cave.
Leave Bazzer alone. You're a menace.
Come on, guys. It's alright, Bazza's fine with it, you know? He probably has good nightmares. Like, you know how you can have a bad nightmare? He has a good nightmare.
My
I
wife
think
has
that's
a
called
nightmare.
a dream.
So, Bazza,
With honor.
honestly tell me, come over here. Just sit with me, man.
Okay, I need to sit down for a bit.
Honestly tell me.
You want a medal?
No, don't worry about medals. What triggers you the most?
I grow tired of waiting.
Not necessarily one individual thing. It's more of a combination of everything.
It's like, so it's like all the things combined.
It's just the compilation of things. I feel.
So, for your birthday, maybe we could, you know, put all those compilations together. Come on, man! Happy
Don't have to
birthday!
worry about it.
And then we have Lucio balls. We have a furry closet. We've got. Are you a YouTube?
Oh, I forgot about that.
Yeah, I know, right? That's what started it.
That was the original Bazza meme.
What was the original Bazza meme? Bots?
Oh. That's
Oh, the
that's a
Bazza
secret
bots.
meme. That's a secret meme. No one needs to know that. No one needs to know what I hypothesized.
About Bazza bots?
I thought they were a real thing.
He's got 10 upvotes on Reddit. He's spotting. Get him out of there.
That was a great time though. That was a simple time.
Simple time where we could just make 2-minute CSGO videos.
Yep. Okay, Baz up. It's time for you to get a play of the game, you know? It's been a while.
Yeah. Oh, look
And
at
I'm
me.
really pumped.
There I am.
Good
Oh, shit.
job. Wait, what?
What?
Wait, what?
This
What?
isn't
Hey,
this
nice.
isn't right.
What?
That ain't right.
What did I do?
Oh, he's got good aim. That's
I did it.
Oh, and then I'm like, hey, look, it's the thing, and I'm like, pew pew pew. And now we come to the Brad's triggered part of the
yeah. My dad's just come into the
show.
room with his camera and filming. For... What the fuck?
It's Mercy.
What?
Yes. Why?
I love Mercy.
No. Oh, ever since that video, he's just been coming into my room more often, just randomly.
She's got nice wings.
Why
Fun.
are you filming my face?
I'm not filming you at all.
Yeah, you are.
No, I'm not.
Okay, what are you doing?
How can you tell?
No, you're holding the camera like that.
Yeah, but this is so
Okay,
cool.
let me see the camera. Let me see. You're not showing at me!
No, I'm not. I love her.
Yeah, but... You...
Quick, Phil, upload it to YouTube. Expose Zobra.
Mercy, really. Like, this is like historic, isn't
What?
it? Like, what's happening?
What's happening?
Well, like, doing this and, the stage.
How much have you drunk? And why is... Okay, why is your buckle undone, actually? I gotta question
I'm
that.
about to go to bed.
Yep.
Oh, he's ready for you, Brad.
I'll be waiting in bed.
I'm gonna go to bed, Brad. You gonna join me or what?
Dude, you should make it. You should make him a Battle.net account and call it Unbuckled Father. What's a
Console peasant.
What's a console? That what happens when you queef?
Oh, I'm quaking.
Excuse me?
Wait, what?
Oh, you are a furry! Look!
One. Attack commencing.
Oh, sorry, Basil. I'm also a furry.
Oh no.
Oh no.
I've
we've
been
changed
exposed.
Guys, come on! Is this
Oh.
what I'm gonna grow up to? Because I'm the young one, and you guys are older.
Yes. No, wait. You must choose the light or the dark side.
Well,
The payload
Soon, Brad.
moving.
it's...
You must
Whoa, the glow.
Soon,
Oh.
Brad.
See? Never!
Oh, no,
Oh god, wait! If you're
Oh,
me in the
secret third
future,
option.
I could just kill myself and then you guys will die.
Oh, Oh, did you just do it? Cause it worked.
If you might. Kenshi's name is Aboriginal.
No wonder why we're getting killed.
Shouldn't it be the other way around?
Wow. Feel amp it up.
It feels like you're connected to the fucking payload. On a leash.
I am.
Getting dragged.
I'm one with the payload. There's a turret behind us, guys. Guys, there's a turret behind us. Yes, I'm on fire.
Enemy teleported.
Oh my god, there's a lot of McCrees.
Yep.
Oh.
They brought in the west! What is this lag randomly?
Oh, I'm not. I've been put to sleep.
Oh shit! Play of the game! Oh man, I'm getting a bunch of play of the games now. We'll Seagull!
There we go.
Seagull, look at my hands I place! Wow!
Look at this. Oh, you can't see. Hey, look, there's your. Oh, no, your eyes go.
I'll never get over that.
Oh
man.
wait, hang on. Am I in this? Look, there I am. There.
Go Sam, I'll save you!
Look, I get put to sleep. I go to sleep, right? and then I break it.
Dude, I need to
Zoom
keep
it,
going.
I like
I
the
need to
reader.
I need to keep going from getting all these play of the games, man. It's actually kind of ridiculous. 4 gold medals as
Oh,
well.
Me and this Torbjorn
That was
are
an
getting
aboriginal,
along.
I had to help
No! You killed my brother!
I think Bazza should have a face cam.
I think you should.
Just to have triggering, you know.
It's just him like practicing knots so
It'll-
he can finally
it'll just be
perfect
that-
it one day and just hang himself.
I can't tie my shoelaces yet.
Every death comes honor.
I'm trying.
With honor, redemption.
Why he wears? That's why he wears thongs everywhere.
Is that why he wanted to make a horse noose a meme?
Because he's a furry and he likes to kill. He wants to kill himself.
It all makes sense now. Baz, we cracked the case.
30 seconds.
Do we get a prize?
Do we? It's a beautiful day, isn't it, though? It's alright. Why?
No, no.
Yes! Yes! When is your birthday, actually? This is like an early birthday present.
I think I'll have a birthday this year.
No, no, no.
Is he aiming just for you as well? I hope
He is that way.
Alright, Baz, you got this. Press Q.
Doing it.
Alright, Baz, are you ready for you to get hooked? You're just gonna get hooked in the corner, I just know it. Oh. Where are you? You're gonna get hooked!
Am I there?
You're gonna get hooked!
Please tell-
You got hooked! Did you just hit you? But what's that noise, Bazza? What are you doing in the background?
Nothing you need to be
Did he
concerned about.
storm off? Oh, okay.
Say, Bazza, would you like to do another?
Let me answer to that for you real quick.
Oh. Well, there you have it, lads.
This concludes this week's episode of fucking Hook Bazza because it's a funny meme.
Get that meme!
That should be your skit name. Get that meme.
Come get your memes.
And it's just whatever's triggering Baz of that week is that's the meme of the week, kids.
Phil approved.
Everything hurts my head.
Phil approved.
Yes!
Oh.
That's actually what my dad's belly looks like, so yeah.
Oh, what? Daddy!
Oh, what?
I was on the well, nice.
Oh, shit.
That's the only way it could be.
Fucking hell.
Woo!
Holy shit.
Wrecked. Oh, thumbs up!
Brad's used to looking at that.
Believe it or not.
Here he is.
He's
Just
not
a belly
even
button
phased.
right in his eyes.
Oh!
Oh!
Oh shit.
Alright,
Still
that's me
too
done.
fish
See
will
you
never get it.
guys.